Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be making a family favorite, roast chicken. Slow roasted in the oven. It's going to be crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. So stay tuned. So I'm going to be making two whole chickens, and I'm making two because they're organic and so they're quite small. They're about 5 pounds each. This will make two dinners for the five of us, and I'll take the chicken breast and make sandwiches as well. I pierce the skin so that the seasoning can get right into the chicken. I've chopped up 2 onions and 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of sprinkling here, but you'll get the idea. So I'm sprinkling on some Himalayan pink salt, some paprika, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and some all-purpose seasoning. So this seasoning is actually from the keg, and you can get it at Costco. And I use Bragg's liquid soy seasoning, which is non-GMO as opposed to conventional soy sauce. I'm going to cover this up and let it sit on my counter for about half an hour. I've rubbed some good old-fashioned coconut oil on the bottom of the pan. I've added a few toothpicks on top of the chicken so that the foil doesn't stick to the skin of the chicken. I put my oven to 360 and I put the chicken in for about an hour. I take it out and then I baste it, and then it's going to go back in. And then I add about a quarter cup of butter to the bottom of the pan. It's going to take between 3 and 4 hours for these two chickens to be done, but if you're doing one chicken, it might take 2.5 hours. You're going to check it between every 30 and 40 minutes and continue to baste it. If you're cooking one chicken, after at least an hour and a half, you can taste the gravy. If you're cooking two, I'd wait about 2.5 hours and you can taste to see if it needs any other seasoning. So these two chickens took about 4 hours in the oven, and they're nice and brown on the outside and the skin is nice and crispy, just the way we like it. You'll want the chicken to rest for at least 15 minutes. If you cut it while it's too hot, all the juices are going to come out. All the chicken pieces that I'm putting to the side, I'm going to use it in a stock to make chicken broth. There you have it, the perfect roast chicken. If you try my technique, please let me know by leaving a comment below. Until next time, take care.